What's going on, guys? It's your boy Deegan here, and today is going to be Fire Alarm System Test 7. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Fire Alarm System Test 7 is finally here. It's been 7 system tests since System Test 1. But, you know, as usual, we got the Potter RMS1T bilingular single action pull station. And we have the Potter ASH 24-153075R. Hey, I'm starting to remember it, kind of. Yeah, which is the Potter horn strobe. And right here we have the fake BG12. Pretty nice. Alright, let's get started by pulling the fake BG12. And also the alarm won't go off because this is basically just a fake prop. As of right now, I will use it sometime. I just don't know what I want to use it for. But yeah, if I move these boxes out of the way. Alright. Alright, sorry, it's a little bit too close here. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let me get a good position. 3, 2, 1. There's the inside. Can't see because it's like dark in here. There's no light right here. Yeah, you could kind of see some stuff. Alright. We're going to start the test by hex key activating the Potter T-bar pull station. Let me just plug it in. Alright. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just plugged it in and it now has power, so let's do this. Alright. Sorry for the light, by the way. Let's go out here to see how far we can hear it. It's pretty loud still out here. You can see the light, kind of. Alright guys, so let's close it up. Now we're going to activate it in the dark. So, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's open it. Very, very loud. I think that's like 65 decibels, I forget. But I had it up for a long time, so that's why I forget. But, yeah, for the last activation of the day, or the video, I should say, we're going to be pulling it manually. You guys can see it, not in the dark. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to turn it like this, so that way, yeah. Also, guys, if you have epilepsy, you shouldn't be watching this video. Sorry that I pointed out just now. Let's go up close to it. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off right now. But yeah. There we go. And let's pull the Mercom pull station real quick before we end the video here. That's pretty loud, bro. It's like, it might not seem loud on YouTube, but in person, like when you're actually in the room, because my room has no windows, it's very, like I don't know, just no windows, only walls. It just bounces off the walls everywhere. It's just kind of like really, really loud. But yeah, yeah, here's all the logos of the alarm companies. Yeah, let me just unplug this real quick. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video, July 25th or 26th, sorry. But anyways, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and peace out!